Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Choose a clear niche with audience demand and monetization potential for steady growth. Research keywords, watch time, and competition before committing. Set a content schedule of at least 2 videos per week and publish consistently. Create a channel name, banner, and logo that reflect your niche and value proposition. Write a short channel description including target viewers and upload cadence. Build a simple content plan for 3 months to test topics and performance. Optimize video titles and descriptions with keywords and a clear viewer benefit. Add chapters and timestamps to improve watch time and search visibility. Use thumbnails with readable text, high contrast, and a single focal subject for higher click rates. Film intros that hook viewers in 10 to 20 seconds to reduce drop-off. Encourage comments, likes, and subscribes with simple CTAs at 20 to 40 seconds in every video. Respond to top comments to increase engagement and algorithmic promotion. Enable AdSense after you meet 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours in the past 12 months. Diversify income by selling products, offering channel memberships, or using affiliate links in descriptions. Pitch sponsorships when you have consistent monthly views and clear audience demographics. Create a simple media kit showing average views, audience age, and engagement rates for sponsors. Price sponsorships based on CPM and audience fit rather than guesses. Reinvest a portion of revenue.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.